Did someone just tell you to replace your HVAC system without having a second opinion? Stop. I'm Dustin with 1 Hour Air Conditioning and Heating. Before you sign a check for a new HVAC system, call us for a free second opinion. Many people don't realize you could save thousands by exploring a different replacement option. Just last week, we saved one customer $3,000 on a system. Exact same specs, but with honest pricing and better payment options. Don't get taken advantage of. Let us give you transparency and fairness. Call us now for a free second opinion on your system. We've got your back.